Projects that we're featuring today is a combination of 3 projects we did at Red Deer Polytechnic in the summer of 2024. The International Student Space and front entrance revitalization, the security office relocate, and the Indigenous Student Center. So one of the challenges in working in an operational Polytechnic institute is that it is obviously open to the public and students and staff all the time, even during the summer. We had to have very detailed hoarding plans to keep the construction areas separate and quiet and safe. So this center is right at the front entrance of Red Deer Polytechnic, and we redid the whole front entrance, including the flooring, wall features, and entrance to the International Students Space, as well as the security kiosk that had been sitting closed up and vacant for years. We did a custom designed feature, which was a difficult design as it was completely custom and brand new to all of us on the project. And working with our millworker and electricians and our architects, we came up with Corian and LED feature for the reception to welcome students into RDP and really showcase the front entrance. Creating the new International Student Space, we had to relocate the current security office. So we relocated them to a previously unused storage area near their old gyms. Completely revitalized the space. It is bright and fresh and technologically advanced. It is still close enough to the front entrance that people can access it easily and they can get around campus easily while having their operations center central to the college. The Indigenous Students Center was a brand new space. So now the Indigenous students have a space of their own, is welcoming to everyone that attends RDP. They host workshops there, classes, and it is just a lounge space as well for people to come and hang out. There's smudging ceremonies that they do. They serve bannock and tea in the new kitchen that we built there. And there's a new outdoor space attached where they can go out and have ceremonies outside, where there's a new fire pit and beautiful murals painted on the exterior of the building. We couldn't have done it without our amazing team. The project managers there have been amazing to deal with, as well as all the consultants on the project, and of course our subtrades doing the hands-on work day to day. Couldn't have done it without the whole group working together and creating this amazing project.